Welcome to the live FESPA exhibition here in Munich, and I'm delighted to talk a little bit about next year in Amsterdam, where we will have for the very first time the Sportswear Pro event. What's been happening since COVID times is people have been talking about nearshoring, on demand, seeing how they can be more sustainable in their manufacturing processes. Sportswear Pro will be an event which showcases all of the machinery from design to production to finishing, showing people the whole processes and how to make sportswear on demand. We will also have many manufacturers showcasing the latest technologies in decoration, which includes sublimation printing, screen printing, transfer printing, and the latest technologies in direct-to-fabric printing as well. And that, aligned with the FESPA show, will bring together all those communities. The event will also have a live production where we'll be showing people how to make sportswear on demand. We will discuss the fabrics which people will have on the show as well, what the new technologies are made for the industry as well. Sportswear Pro will be held next year at the RAI in Amsterdam from the 19th to the 22nd of March 2024. If you want to join Sportswear Pro as an exhibitor, please visit sportswearpro.com.